Right guys, here it is. I bought this as like B stock, used, but still from Gear4Music, although it was purchased via eBay. There's a, we've seen it earlier when I unboxed. There's a chip in there, and the guitar is okay. Didn't come with a amp, no strap, no lid, just the whammy bar. I like the sound actually. This is like how we unbox it. Stock pickup, I mean stock strings as well. There's like high pitched sound. Let's plug it straight. Yeah, it's gone. I don't know where it's coming from. Probably from the effects. and the weight of the guitar is really heavy. So yeah, the body is really heavy, so that's probably a good thing. See, that's the bridge pickup, neck pickup. Like it. So yeah, for the price, I think this is the cheapest guitar I've ever bought. It's only 54 pounds. Because it's B-stock, there's cheap at the bottom. It doesn't come with the regular stuff that it should. Maybe it's a returned item and then got broken along the way. Like, you know, when they delivered it and then it got chipped, and then the person who bought it returned it. But I like it. I like the color combination, turquoise, I think, black, and then the neck is satin. I don't know. So yeah, happy with my purchase, and I hope you like it, guys. So if you're planning to buy LA Select Gear4Music, don't expect too much, but it's a lot better than buying cheap ones. You know, the 79, between 79 to 100 guitar. I haven't tried. The one that I regret that I didn't go for is the Squire Sonic, because it's got a good review. Then this one's super cheaper than that one. I think it's 150 something for the for the Squire Sonic. This one is second hand or B-stock, 54 pounds. And then 5 something for the delivery. All in all, it's 60 something. I like it.